No, she's gonna go in, you know. Don't let them throw me in with the camera. Just make it easy, please. Just go in, because they're gonna get you in either way and you're gonna get hurt.
2 fucking pair of express shoes! $90 fucking dollars! Okay.
Hey, ice cold beer. Just go.
Wait a minute, I'm going.
Accept your fate, dude.
Here, take this.
Just let me get it on tape.
I'm gonna jump in. Off the diving board.
Oh, it's raining.
Wait, hurry. I'm gonna do it off the diving board. Get him.
Quiet.
Get him, hurry. I'm gonna do it off the diving board.
Do it off the diving board. Go. She can't run nowhere.
Go, Chunky, go! Go, Chunky,
Brass
go!
monkey, the chunky monkey.
I didn't even know what from what side.
Come on, where are you going? She's leaving. You guys let her leave. You stupid asses. She left. She went out the back fucking door.
Oh, quiet. You have your underwear on.
Somebody give me a searchlight!
You know she... Let's get back here.